bullet clip. This boy tried to test my shit. Fucking with the wrist on kick. MAGNOLIA, that is where your ass will let you pay your haters on my dick. Trying to put me in a kick. I fuck you twice, I fuck one more. All you cowards get the flow. These fellas in the game, knowing that they ass is lame. Big ass mouth, but still is lame. You gotta talk it, fuck me. When that smoke is in my nose, I be wanna kidnap hoes. Talking shit about the click. You gon' get your ass kicked. I'll hop out my fucking ride and put my Glock to your side. Lock in the fucking trunk, and then I'll keep it drunk.
Now watch my 9mm go bang.